Welcome to Unique Vidya Phone online classes. Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about noun. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It can be name of a person, place, thing, animal or feeling. For example, naming to persons like Priyanka, Praveen, Tom, etc. Next, naming to places like India, America, Gujarat, Songarh, etc. Naming to things like car, chair, book, pen, pencil, etc. Naming to animals like rabbit, dog, cat, tiger, lion, etc. Naming to feelings like fear, joy, beauty, anger, etc. Types of noun. There are 5 types of noun. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, material noun. Fifth, abstract noun. Proper noun. Proper noun is a particular name of a person, place or thing. For example, particular names of persons like Mr. Saha, Dr. N.K. Desai, Miss Priyanka, etc. Particular names of places like Sarvadeh Hospital, India, Adarsh Store, etc. Particular names of things like Navneet, Dabur, it is name of company or brand. Bible and Quran, they are the name of books. Common noun. Common noun is common to every person, place or thing. For example, common nouns of persons like man, woman, husband, wife, nurse, teacher, leader, etc. Common nouns of places like house, school, museum, garden, city, river, hospital, etc. Common nouns of things like bench, dish, cup, spoon, pen, book, pencil, flower, rose, etc. We will learn here common noun and proper noun together. For example, India is my country. In this sentence, India is proper noun and country is common noun. Mary was the mother of Jesus. In this sentence, Mary and Jesus are proper noun and mother is common noun. Moti is pet dog. In this sentence, Moti is proper noun and dog is common noun. New Delhi is the capital of India. In this sentence, New Delhi and India are capital proper noun and capital is common noun. Next, Tom is a student. In this sentence, Tom is proper noun and student is common noun. Miss Priya is a nurse in hospital. Miss Priya is a nurse in hospital. In this sentence, Miss Priya is proper noun and nurse is common noun. Next, collective noun. A collective noun is name of a number of person of things taken together as one whole. Collective noun is group of a person or things or animals. For example, the fox saw a bunch of grapes. The fox saw a bunch of grapes. In this sentence, a bunch is collective noun. He saw a heap of stone in the garden. He saw a heap of stone in the garden. In this sentence, a heap is collective noun. The crowd of people was noisy. The crowd of people was noisy. In this sentence, crowd is collective noun. The police arrested a gang of robbers. In this sentence, a gang is collective noun. Material noun. Material noun denotes the matter or substances of which things are made. For example, sugar, tea, flour, gold, silver, copper, turmeric, soap, bread, butter, rice, wheat, ghee, clay, wood, marble, oil, etc. It is a raw material from which we can make things. Material noun is a raw material from which we make things. Next, abstract noun. Words which are names, quality, action are called abstract noun. Abstract noun means it is the quality, any action, feeling or emotion. For example, honesty, wisdom, strength, blindness, truth, height, length, anger, intelligence, etc. Thank you.